Hi, I'm Dawn, and this is where Shabby meets Bling. Tonight, it's about two things: thrifting and flowers. Make that three things: thrifting, flowers, and decorating. This is a flower palooza. I would like to thank our host, Annie, from Crafting with Indie Annie Jones. You're going to find the link to her channel and this playlist in my description box below. Here we are at Goodwill. One of my favorite places ever. Let's see what they've got. All right, directly to the dish section, because I've been eyeballing something, and there it is. There it is. Look at that beauty. This is special. You might not know it, but this is special, and for $1.49, I am going to grab it right now. Hey, look, it's a flower design. There you go. Put it in the cart. Got some other goodies too already, but yeah, this, another flower design. These are special. Those are old, and the whole set is there. We'll see if someone picks those up. My grandmother had these as well. I like them, but not enough to buy them, and I hope someone does. Something I don't think a lot of people understand is that if this stuff is not purchased, red tag, that's this week, you guys. Anything with red tag, if it's not purchased, they take it glass-wise and dinnerware, that type of thing, and it's literally thrown into the trash. They trash it if it does not sell. So clothes they send on, dishware they do not. This little beauty I did buy, and I will be looking for some mates for this so I can complete a set. Now that I know what I'm looking for, I can be on alert. These things are very special. These are mid-century modern, and they are royal ironstone. And if a set of 4 goes for $70, I picked up one for $1.49. I think I got a pretty good deal. I absolutely love that flower motif. Here's another set of dishes. Absolutely amazing, and these are old and they are beautiful. I'm really hoping somebody comes here and buys the entire set, because it would be really sad to see these in a dumpster. I absolutely love them, yet I can only buy so much, you guys. So pretty. And another flower motif. Good luck, beautiful dishes. Good luck. Take a good look at this little nugget. Isn't she pretty? I love the violets on there. So pretty. Now, if this was a red tag, I would be picking this thing up and throwing it in my cart. Not throwing it, I don't want to break it, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to keep an eye open for when the blue tag comes around again, because this will be mine if she's still here. Okay, enough thrifting. I have to get down to business. This area I'm going to redecorate for the season. It is spring. All of the Christmas has been put away. All the winter has been put away. And this little area in my dining room needs to be updated for spring. Now, I have thrifted many items to go in this area. Let's start by showing you the floral thrifted items that I have come across. I picked up this beautiful little candle ring at Goodwill for $2.49. And you know, it almost looks just as pretty on the back side as it does the front. That looks almost like a little bird's nest. How cute. Okay, this was a steal. I mean, what a deal. I picked up this little bunch of lavender for $1.49 at Goodwill. I don't think anybody had a clue what these go for at Hobby Lobby, and this is a bunch from Hobby Lobby. It is a little older, but she's still absolutely gorgeous, and she's gonna go in my vignette. I also grabbed 2 bunches of eucalyptus, $1.49 each, and when I grabbed these, it was yellow tag. So keep in mind, these were half off, so it was basically 2 for $1.49. These gorgeous dogwood were not thrifted, but they were purchased on sale at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. Absolutely gorgeous. I picked up this tablecloth for $2 at my favorite resale shop. We need to add more than just flowers to this little area that I'm decorating, so this beautiful tablecloth will come in handy. I grabbed this beautiful picture with 24 karat gold rim and a floral motif for $3. I also picked up these beautiful little vintage barware glasses for 50 cents each. They will go beautifully with that picture. I picked up this beautiful little dome for $2.99, or was it? No, it was a yellow tag, so it was half off. And I grabbed these two older rolling pins, $3.99 and $2.99. I do have an amazing rolling pin collection. At some point, I will share that. I also picked up this rolling pin at a garage sale for $1. $1. This thing also super special. Check this out. She is old, she is rare, and she is valuable, and I cannot believe my luck in getting this thing for $1. I picked up these two little cutting boards for $2 and $4. The $4 one is this one. It was from Williams-Sonoma, and this one is just a rando, but I liked the shape and I wanted it. I picked up a pair of these wood, and they are solid wood charger plates, and they were only $1.49 each. To round out our little decor items that we need for my vignette is this beautiful basket. I absolutely love the size and the shape of it. Now it is a little orange, but we will handle that momentarily. She was only $2.99 at Goodwill. I need to get rid of some of this orangey color on this basket because I am going to paint it. So I am starting with giving it a little scrub down with a nail polish remover. Just nail polish remover. It is taking a little bit of that gloss right off of this for me, so then I can go ahead and begin my painting. I am using a hazelnut Waverly chalk paint to dry brush this entire basket, handle and all. Once it's completed, I'm going to set and let it dry, and then I am going to bust out my antique wax, my brown antique wax. This is also a Waverly product, and I am going to give it a little wax bath. You've heard of whitewash? Well, this is a wax wash. I am using some water and a brush and my wax, and I am working it down into all the crevices so I can blend the hazelnut and this wax. And if you see a little bit of that original finish, I am okay with this because I want this thing to look old, weathered, and antiqued. Well, the basket is ready, so let's build a beautiful thrifted vignette. Here's my blank canvas. We start with a placemat, then we add that charger, then our beautifully aged basket. Look how pretty. Next, that $2 tablecloth. I love it. Then the candle ring, the dogwood. Then I layer it with that pretty thrifted lavender. I add one wood rolling pin, then the second wood rolling pin, and then that gorgeous glass rolling pin. The eucalyptus, a little bit of greenery up front, some more beautiful white flowers, and to top it all off, a grouping of tassels. Absolutely perfect for this French country arrangement. Some more lavender, a pedestal with that glass dome, both of my cutting boards, and this item. If you remember, I created this in a video not that long ago. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I add those vintage barware glasses and that gorgeous picture, and this area is complete, looking absolutely fabulous. So let's see what I did with my French country clock shelf. I'll show you how I created it in this video. The link will be in the description box. What I did was I added some absolutely gorgeous greenery to it. These flowers, they're really not lavender. I would say they're more of a Russian sage. They have a beautiful lavender tint to them, and they are simply spectacular. They look so good, you almost think you could smell them. So pretty. I love this arrangement for so many reasons. It really captures the essence of my French country dining room, as well as the fact it's not permanent. Everything, even the florals, are just sitting in this basket, ready to be rearranged for another day, or they can stay here all summer long. I am in love with the look of this beautiful arrangement. It really shows you what you can do on a small budget. And if you thrift properly, keep your eyes open, and if it's pretty and it appeals to you and it's a good price, you cannot go wrong picking it up. Keeping in mind that you can change colors, you can change form, never ever overlook something that is interesting. Thanks again to Annie for hosting this Flower Palooza. You're going to find the link to her channel and this playlist in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your family and your friends, and anyone that likes DIYs, thrifting, repurposing, floral designs, spring, or French country decor. You can follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check out my shop on Etsy. Ring the bell for notifications of all my upcoming videos. Leave me a comment. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to support my channel. But for now, this is Dawn with Shabby Meets Bling. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.